So this video will be the continuation of the previous bio video which I have already sent you. So we studied till here the leaf. I told you the definition and the last question of the PDF which I sent you. That was leaves do not. What is the difference between leaves and stem from the growth point of view? Yeah, the thing is that leaves, they keep on growing. Stem keeps on growing continuously, but leaves, they stop growing after attaining full size. That was the last question of the PDF which I had sent you. Now this one is about petiole. Yeah, so now we will study the structure of a leaf. Yes, so this is how a leaf looks like. Now we will break down this leaf into small portions, understood, and understand each and every part. For example, this one is a different part, this portion is a different part, this line in between is a different part, understood. We will study about all these parts in detail. Okay, so what is this petiole? So in this one I'll send you the definitions later on. Yes, so means I'll send you the answers later on. Right now I'll just make you understand that what these things are. What is petiole? Okay, so petiole, I am making you understand that. Wait, so this is the stem. Yes, and this is the leaf. This small thing which is connecting the leaf, to the stem, this portion is what you call petiole, understood. The handwriting is not clear. Petiole. Yeah, this portion is what you call petiole. Now we move on to the next concept, which is that of sessile flowers. Yes, sessile flowers. Now what are sessile flowers? So if this is the stem, yes, certain plants, they don't have petiole. The leaf directly grows from the stem itself. Yes, so this is what you call, sorry, it's not sessile flowers, it is sessile plant, I think, over there. Yes, so this kind of plant is what you call a sessile plant, where there is no petiole. Okay, sorry, it is sessile leaves. Okay, sometimes leaves are directly attached to the stem without a petiole. Such leaves are called sessile leaves. Okay, where they are directly attached to the stem, those kind of leaves is what you call sessile leaves. Now we move on to the next portion. So in the previous page we studied about the first part of a leaf, which is petiole. Now there are three parts. The first one is the petiole. Second one is the leaf blade or lamina. Third one is the midrib, all of which petiole I've already explained. Yes, what is leaf blade? This portion, what is leaf blade? So this is the stem, this is the leaf. This whole portion which I'm shading right now, which in plants is green in color, yes, this is what you call leaf blade. This whole green portion of a leaf, this is what you call leaf blade. Okay, so let's read the definition over there. The green flat and broad part of the leaf, the green flat and broad part. Yes, So this normally in a leaf, this whole portion is green. Yes, this portion is flat and this portion is broad as well. Yes, broad means chauda. Yes, so this portion is what you call leaf blade or lamina. Okay, the next portion is midrib. What is midrib? So if you draw a leaf like this line in between, this is what we call midrib. Okay, it is the continuation of the petiole. So this line which I'm shading right now, this is the petiole. Yes, and this continuation of petiole in the leaf, this is what you call midrib. Okay, let's read the definition. Petiole continues into the lamina as the midrib. Okay, this laterally gives out fine branches called veins. Now what is the meaning of this? So if this is the leaf, this is the midrib. Yes, and it gives out fine lines like this. Yes, these fine lines, what do you call it? You call it veins. Okay, what do you call it? You call it veins. Okay, and these lines can further give out even more branches. Like these lines they can further give out small branches like this, which I'm drawing right now. These further lines is what you call veinlets. Okay, you call it veinlets. Okay, so what is the function of the leaves? What is the function of the veins? First of all, first let's study about the function of the petiole, midrib, veins and veinlets. Yes, so all of this petiole, yes, and then this midrib, then these veins, and then these veinlets, what do? They conduct water and food. Understood? The water which comes from the roots is taken to the leaf by this petiole, and then this midrib, then these veins, and then these veinlets. Okay, and after the leaf has prepared the food, yes, who is going to take the food back to different parts of the plant? These veins and midrib and this petiole is going to take it back. Further, there is one more function. What is that one more function? Veins also provide a skeleton or supportive framework to the leaves. Yes, just like the skeleton of our body gives shape to our body. Yes, just like that, the veins also provide shape to the leaves. Understood? Next we will study about the types of leaves. What are the two types of leaves? Simple leaf and compound leaf. Okay, so what is simple leaf? Simple leaf is this leaf, the leaves which I was drawing until now, which you normally draw in pictures and everything. Yes, so this is what you call a simple leaf. Yes, then what is a compound leaf? The second type of leaf is a compound leaf. Compound leaf means what? These kind of leaves. Yes, so which looks somewhat like this. Yes, this is the petiole. Yes, this is not the stem, this is the petiole. Yes, and further here small leaves on it. So this whole thing can't be considered as a plant. This whole thing will be considered as one leaf only. Understood? So these kind of leaves is what you call compound leaf, which have got many more small leaves attached to them. Yes, so this is what you call a compound leaf. Understood? And in a plant it looks somewhat like this. So this is the main branch of the plant. Yes, this is the petiole. Yes, this is the petiole and further the midrib, and it looks somewhat like this. with small leaves on it. On a plant, a compound leaf looks like this. This is not a branch. It is looking fat, but this is not a separate branch. This is the petiole and then the midrib and then small leaves attached to it. Yes. So this is what you call a compound leaf. Understood? Yes. So how do you differentiate, means how do you look at a plant and figure out that whether it is a branch or whether it is a compound leaf? Thing which I am shading right now, the portion which I am making fat, yes, if this thing is brown in color, then it is a branch. Understood? And if this thing is green in color, then these whole thing, these are compound leaves. Okay. This portion I won't be able to explain because the picture is not clear over here. Yes, so I'll explain you next when we meet. Next we come to this portion about the arrangement of leaves. So okay, I forgot to read out the definition of simple leaf and compound leaf. We'll first read out the definitions. Okay, so what's written? In simple leaf, the lamina is divided in a single piece. Yes, so what is a simple leaf? The lamina means this leaf blade. It is a single piece, as you can see in the diagram over here. Yes, the diagram which I have made, it is a single leaf. Yes, so single leaf is what you call a simple leaf. And what are the examples of this? There are no examples given over here. Yes, oh yeah, here are the examples: mango, banana, banyan. These are examples of simple leaf. Okay. Next we move on to the concept of compound leaf. Okay, so compound leaf, what is written? In a compound leaf, the leaf blade or lamina is divided into smaller units, as you can see. So in a compound leaf, okay, I won't draw it again because I've already drawn it for you. This whole thing is a leaf. Yes, and it is further divided into small leaves, as you can see over here. Yes, so this is what you call a compound leaf, where the whole leaf, so simple leaf is where you see just one full leaf. Yes, and compound leaf is a leaf where you see the leaf is divided into 4 or 5 smaller leaves. Understood? Now we move on to the concept of arrangement of leaves. Arrangement of leaves, there are 3 types of arrangement. Here we are talking only about compound leaves. Okay, because in a simple leaf you have just one single leaf. Yes, so there is no point about arrangement. Okay, so okay, no, we are not talking about compound leaves over here, I'm sorry. Yes, we are talking about the arrangement of leaves on a stem only. Okay, we are talking about arrangement of leaves on a stem. Yes, and what do you call this thing? Arrangement of leaves, you call it phyllotaxy. Okay, the scientific name for it is called phyllotaxy. So arrangement of leaves in biology, you call it phyllotaxy. Okay, so what is this arrangement? What are the 3 kinds of arrangements which you see on a stem? They are alternate, opposite, and walled. Now, what is the meaning of this? Alternate means what? Alternate means this is the stem, this is one leaf, another leaf, another leaf over here, another leaf over here. Means from one place only one leaf is coming out. Yes, here there is no leaf. So here there is a leaf, again here there is no leaf. Here there is a leaf, again here there is no leaf. Okay, so from one particular line on the stem only one leaf comes out. This is what you call alternate. Okay. Next we come to opposite. Opposite means what? From one particular line two or more leaves might come out, or is it only two? Okay, so only two leaves come out. For example, if this is the stem, one leaf over here, it goes about like this. Where from each line two leaves are coming out. Yes, so this is what you call this thing. This is what you call opposite. What was it? This is what you call opposite arrangement. Okay, where from one place two leaves come out. Yes, two leaves are coming out from the same place. Okay, same place. Okay, now we'll talk about walled. Yes, walled means what? More than two leaves are attached at each node. For what is that? A walled leaf arrangement is also like this only. The only difference is that here at each node, this portion is what you call a node. Yes, this portion is what you call a node, the place from where a leaves come out. Yeah, so right now the diagram which you are seeing here, there is only one leaf at one node. Yes, but so this is what we call opposite arrangement. Right now what you're seeing is opposite arrangement. Now I am going to show you this thing, walled arrangement. Walled, WHORLED. Walled arrangement means what? Where two leaves come out from one particular node. Understood? Here if two leaves come out from one particular node, that is what we call walled arrangement. So if you read it, alternate, where only one leaf comes out from each node. Opposite, where two leaves come out from each node. And a walled arrangement, where two or more leaves come out from each node. Okay. Now we will come to venation. Venation means what? Venation means arrangement of veins. Now what are veins? So if you see, this is the leaf blade, this is the petiole, this is the midrib. The things which I'll draw right now, these are veins. So these are the veins. Okay, and the arrangement of veins is what you call venation. Okay, so there are two types of arrangement. One is reticulate venation and the second one is parallel venation. What is parallel? I'll show you this parallel venation first. Okay, so this is how parallel venation looks. This is the midrib and veins are like this. This is what we call parallel venation. Okay, they are parallel to each other. Understood? Parallel means maintaining the same distance. If you see that these two veins, this vein and this vein which I'm shading right now, the distance between them is same. Yes, so this is what you call parallel venation. Understood? And reticulate venation means what? Reticulate venation means somewhat like this, which have no particular pattern. Like They might grow out like this. Yes, where the veins branch out into further small structures called veinlets. So this is what you call a reticulate venation. So this picture is the example of reticulate venation. Okay, so let's read the definition. In this venation, veins and veinlets are irregularly distributed. In parallel venation, it is regular. Yes, straight lines, same distance from each other. In parallel venation, it is regular. But here in reticulate venation, it is irregular. They are not making any particular pattern. Okay. Next we will talk about functions of a leaf. We'll do it next day. Okay, so that's it up till here for today. Yeah, that's it for today.